Hello, today I want to talk about easy affiliate marketing for beginners. So welcome to my channel, Online Verve. After you watch this video all the way through, please take a few minutes and look around the channel. I have lots of videos on here that talk about different ways that you can make money online, and I review a lot of different methods as well as software and programs that I use in my own online business. And so I only talk about things that I do and share techniques and software, etc., that I use in my own online business. All right, so let's jump right in here. We're going to talk about easy affiliate marketing for beginners. So affiliate marketing is great because you don't need your own product. You don't have to provide support. You don't have to handle returns. You don't have to do anything except promote someone else's product. They handle all those things, and then you earn a commission. And so if you're just getting started, you really should think about jumping into the niche make money online. This is a huge evergreen niche. It's always popular. There's tons of people looking for how to make money online. That's part of why you're watching this video, right? Because you want to know how to make money online. And so if you're just getting started, this is one of the easiest ways, probably one of the easiest niches and methods to get started with affiliate marketing. So watch this video all the way through because we're going to talk about how you can get automatically approved for 100% commissions when you sell these affiliate products. And that can earn you over $400 every time you make a sale. And this is probably one of the biggest hurdles people have when they're just getting started is how to get approved, okay? And you're going to learn how to get automatically approved for 100% commissions throughout the product sales funnel. And in this product, you're also going to get training for audience building, traffic, sales, and promotional tools. Okay, so let's jump over to the product. And here we are on the sales page. The product is called Partner and Profit. And this is a product from Michael Cheney, someone who's been in the online world for lots of years, 20 years or so, I believe. And also a good down-to-earth guy, teaches good things. You know, this is only $10 to get started. And basically what you're going to do is partner with him. And so when you purchase Partner and Profit, what it's going to do is give you access to a training program. Okay, and so when you go into the Partner and Profit inside the membership area, so I'm inside my membership area, depending on what you purchase, these are what you'll have access to across the top. But this is the main program. And so there's video content. You just click on watch the video. It'll pop up and you watch the video. So very straightforward. But this one is super important. Get your money link, okay? Because when you click on watch the video, it's going to tell you how to apply for your 100% commissions affiliate link from Warrior Plus. And when you click on get your link, it's going to open up Warrior Plus, and you're going to click for approval for his 7-figure affiliate system. And when you click to get approval, you will be automatically approved to promote this product, and you're going to get 100% commissions for all the products in this funnel. And so you can see there's 6 products in this funnel, starting at $9.95 as high as $197, and you earn 100% commissions if someone purchases every single product in this funnel, which is pretty awesome. You're going to get automatic approval, and you're going to get automatic approval for 100% commissions, okay? And that's what we talked about, get automatically approved. And how do you do that? All you have to do is purchase Partner and Profit for $10. That's it. So for $10, you're going to have the opportunity to get automatically approved to promote all of those products in the 7-figure affiliate system. And so this is what his 7-figure affiliate system sales page looks like. It's a $10 product as well that people would purchase from you. It's great training on how to get started online. So really, really good product to promote, ethical product that you can promote. And again, you have opportunity to earn 100% commissions throughout this funnel for 7-figure affiliate system. Now, when you're in the Partner and Profit training, you're also going to get some ready-made promotional material, which is great. Okay, so you're going to get different email swipes for email marketing. If you like to do Facebook promotions, blog posts, LinkedIn, YouTube, it's all in here. Okay, and so you're going to get all that to help you promote the 7-figure affiliate system product, so how to promote this. You're going to get training on how to get an audience, how to do content, how to get traffic, and how to get sales. And so it's a really comprehensive training that you're getting inside of Partner and Profit for just $10. And the most important aspect, in my opinion, is that you're not only going to get all this training, and you're not only going to get the promotional tools, but the most important aspect, in my opinion, is that you're going to get automatic approval to promote his 7-figure affiliate system, and you're going to get approved for 100% commissions throughout the funnel. So then you only have one job. Your only job is to promote this. Get people to the sales page. Get them over here and look at the page. It'll convert. People will get started for $10. They may buy some upsells, and you get 100% commissions for just simply promoting this product. And you only have that one job: promote the product. And you can promote it however you want. You can promote it through email marketing. I have other videos that talk about how you can do it through that. You can create videos on YouTube. You can go through social media. You can put up a blog. You can put up multiple things. But if you have a single focus on promoting this 7-figure affiliate system, then you will start to see results. If you're kind of scattered and you're all over, it's going to be hard to see results. So you just got to be serious, be focused, get traffic to the 7-figure affiliate system. You will see sales, you will see results. And that all happens just simply by you purchasing the Partner and Profit. So $9.95, that's all you need to do. There's certainly upsells to this. You don't need to purchase any of the upsells unless you think you want them. But really, you only need to spend $9.95, and you're going to get all of the training, and you will get automatic approval to promote the 7-figure affiliate system with 100% commissions through the funnel. So let me just talk a little bit, because I know some people may be thinking, well, why? Why is he giving away 100% commissions on 7-figure affiliate system? Why isn't he keeping some of it? Why is he giving it all to us? Well, the bottom line is these are all entry-level products, really, that he has, and he has multiple different products, and they're all essentially feeder products into his high-ticket products. So he has high-ticket products that sell for thousands and thousands and tens of thousands of dollars, and that's where he makes his money. But as a result of that, he's willing, really, to give everything away, up to over $400 worth of commissions for this product in exchange for getting buyers that will then perhaps take advantage of his high-ticket products. And so that's the why. Okay, so he's not losing. Again, he's a smart guy. He knows what he's doing. But if you're just getting started, this is an awesome opportunity for you to promote a great product, get automatic approval, have a chance to earn 100% commissions again throughout the entire funnel. I can't stress that enough. So don't worry about the high ticket things that he's doing, and don't feel like you're missing out because you don't get a part of that. Don't worry about that. Once you grow your own business, then you can do your own high ticket stuff if you want. But for now, if you're just getting started, if you're a beginner and you're having a tough time getting approved to promote products, then yeah, buy Partner and Profit for $10, and you'll get automatic approval to promote 7-figure affiliate system with 100% commissions throughout the funnel. So I'll leave a link down in the description box below that'll take you over to the Partner and Profit sales page where you can go ahead and get started for just the $9.95. Definitely let me know if you have any questions, and I appreciate you so much for watching this video. Thanks so much. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and subscribe so you can get more content as it comes out on my channel.